Hi everyone, how are you today? So I'm going to be talking about or revealing a bag that I just recently purchased. I wasn't really going to buy another bag, but then I saw this, and with the discount and also the purchase app that I was using, it was giving me cash back. So the combination of the two make this bag a really good deal. So as you can see, I purchased from, it's a Coach bag, which I purchased from Saks Fifth Avenue, actually on Christmas Day. And I was actually looking for the Coach Rambler and the elm and brass hardware combination, but they were sold out in a lot of the places. Coach website was all gone. That was like a more lighter neutral color. And then this bag, I saw it and I said, okay, let's just give it a try. So it's actually the Rambler, but in the saddle color. So they call this glove tan leather color, and it's the history of Coach was, like the owner, he saw the glove, the baseball glove mittens, and they were soft, durable. And so he wanted to make the leather bag that way as well, soft, flexible, durable, with the natural grain of cowhide. So it's in a saddle color, and the edges are a little bit like in the darker brown. It's very soft and it's very light. So this is a remake of the 1967 Coach collection. And growing up in the 80s, when you see a Coach bag, it's very iconic, it's very nostalgic of that love, very simple, clean cut, and with the turn lock, and you'll see a Coach bag when you walk down the street. So this bag for me was very nostalgic. So anyway, here is the bag. The size of the bag is, the width is 8 3/4 inches. The height is 6 3/4 inches. And the side, which is at the widest point, is 3 1/4 inches. So it does have, good size for you to put your things in. So the back of the bag have another slip pocket, which you could just slip your phone in for ECSS. And the strap, it's about 1 inch in width, and it is adjustable. So when it came, it was at the bottom third hold, and because my frame is a little bit smaller, so I kind of moved it up on both sides. So let's see what inside the bag looks like. So again, this is the turn lock. And inside this is the leather, and there's like a little bit gold lettering here. There's another small pocket. So this is the inside of the bag. It's lined with fabric. There's a little card holder here. It's leather, and there's a big zipper pocket. The zipper pocket is pretty much the width of the bag, so it is quite large, and you can fit a lot. You can probably fit your phone and your wallet in there for additional security. Again, this is the bag, and it's actually very light just because the material inside is lined with fabric. So I'm going to show you what actually fits inside this bag. It does says pretty roomy. So I have iPad mini, so that goes in there, and then I'm going to put my phone, and then my card holder, my key fob, and just like a lip balm, lipstick, a hand cream, and of course nowadays a hand sanitizer, and my earbuds. So as you can see, they do fit, and I'm just going to close it up, and it does yeah, I think it's just the way that I arranged it, but it looks fine. I could arrange a little bit better, and it's not stuffing the bag, but I think it's good enough to house everything that I put in there, and it's still quite light considering the amount of stuff that I put in. So as you can see, this is seems to me like a pretty versatile bag, and you know, it's a one that you could probably just wear it like a daily usage bag. On the weekends you could just, you know, pop it out to go grocery shopping, just run some quick errands, just because it's so light. Again, I feel the Coach, you know, growing up, the Coach bags were very durable and very iconic, so that's why I purchased this bag, and I hope this bag, you know, would last as well. But I can notice that I think the leather might be a little bit easier to scratch. Well, only time will tell. So, well, thanks for watching this video. If you like the content, please give a thumbs up. If you have any comments, please leave it down below, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.